Next, we will be installing the thread stand. It has a telescoping rod with 4 different spool pins and eyelets. Now this spins, so it's important that you align it and center it to each spool pin. This goes on the left-hand side of the machine, and you'll see that there's a notch there where it fits perfectly. There are 2 screws that are attached to the machine. Using your 3mm hex tool, you will take those out, place the thread stand, and insert the 2 screws, once again using the 3mm hex tool.